So here first the problem will be given as in your manual. Second part was the some assignment given in your manual also given, and third one is the right bottom corner. You have to draw this title block. In title block, the measurement will be 60 into 150. Okay. So so here this is 6 parts. So each part will be 10 millimeter. Each part will be the 10 millimeter. Basically, you have to draw a rectangle of 60 cross 150. And this is 50. This is also 50. This is 20. This is also 10. This is also 10. And this is 20 millimeter, and this is also 20 millimeter. And here you write only your name. Here write only your class, means BTech. BTech first semester. IT, BTech /IT /first semester. Roll number, you already know your roll number. Achha, date of commencement means when the class will be the held. This is the date of commencement. Date of submission will be the when you submit the sheet. And scale write 1:1. Okay. Scale write 1:1. Why it is 1:1, I will discuss later. Achha, this is a figure you see. This is basically the figure of the projection. When you I will discuss the projection, then what is the meaning of this figure. So how to draw this figure? Basically, how can you draw? First, you take a small diameter circle. A small diameter circle. Okay? And another concentric large diameter circle. Clear? First, you draw this. And you take the measurement such a way that it is enter this area. Okay? And here you first draw a center line. Okay. Now each point. Now each point we draw a horizontal line. Okay. Now here first you draw this, and some distance you draw this. Now join. So in this way you draw this figure. Clear? So what is the meaning of this? When you study the projection, basically this is the first angle projection. The symbol of the first angle projection. Okay. What is projection? What is first angle projection? I will discuss later when you study the projection. So, and this is the sheet number. Suppose in your manual the drawing sheet number is given. According to you write this manual, and checked by, this will be just write checked by. Okay. So here you write only the name, only the all written by in pencil. Clear? Only the roll number will be pen only. So roll number will be the pen, but other name, class, date of commencement, date of submission, scale, this drawing sheet number, checked by, title of the drawing, name of the college, MCQ Institute Engineering, title of the drawing will be given in your manual. Okay. So this is your title block. Clear? Any doubt? You can ask me.
Sir, what is the date of commitment?
Date of commitment means suppose today today we do the sheet number 1. Clear? So commencement will be today's date. And submission means when you submit the sheet.
Okay.
Or any other doubt?
So for which subject we have to do it?
Which one?
So for which subject we have to do it?
This subject, the engineering design, in this lab only. For this lab only.
Okay.
For this lab only. Okay. Because if you see A1 drawing sheet, basically A1, suppose this is your A1 drawing sheet. I will discuss later. So in the right bottom corner, you have to draw this title box. Okay. Or anyone in doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, instrument required. But initially, when you do the lab in college, okay, this is now it is virtual lab. So when you do the college, you have to require this type of sheet. A1 graphic sheet, sheet holder. Basically, sheet A1 graphic sheet will be this is the size will be 594 millimeter cross 841 millimeter graphic sheet. and seat holder basically the bring the A1 seat in a securely in seat holder. Acha, 4 number of board clip or drawing pin to hold the seat on the drawing board. Okay. Then T square, then set square, then frame catch. 5 number and 6 number. This is not the quantity. This is the 2 types of French card mostly used. One will be the 5 number French card, and another will be 6 number of French card. This is not the quantity. This is the type of French card. Clear? Acha, Camlin 0.5 mm pencil, or you can use HB, twice HB, or you can use also. And if you use the Camlin or this type of a pencil, it is easier to draw. The non-dust eraser, diagonal scale, large bow compass and small bow compass with pencil lead and lead sharpener divider. So these are the instruments required for drawing. I will discuss one by one. Okay. First, this is the drawing board, and this is the bottom side of the drawing board, and this is made by basically the wooden, and this is already present in the college. Okay, you have to not bring or buy this. Okay, when you do the lab in the college, so this is basically the bottom side, and the upside will be the you fix the your seat, and you see this is the working edge. So on working edge, this is basically where T square will be attached. Okay, and this is perfectly straight. And it is made of basically the wood and 25 meters. And this is called batten, and this is the called working edge, and this part is called E-bone. Okay, next part is T square. You see, this is the T square. This is the stock. This is the different parts of the T square. This is the called stock, and this is the called the blade. And basically there will be 2 sides of that. This is the working edge, and another is the rough edge. Always when you draw the horizontal line, you just fix the tree on the working edge, then you draw the horizontal line. I will discuss how to use. They are made of T square, generally wood or plastic or celluloid, depending upon them. And most of case nowadays plastic will be used. So one is the called stock, and another is called blade, and it will be perfectly 90 degree. So when you draw it, first one, what are the uses? Now the T square is used for drawing the horizontal line. The stock of the T square is held firmly with the left hand against the working edge. If you already see the working edge on the board, you just firmly hold it on the working edge. And after that firmly hold, the line is drawn from left to right, not right to left. Always you draw the line left to right. And pencil should be held slightly inclined in the direction of the line. Be basically to the right. You show the figure, the pencil will be held slightly right side to the right side in inclined way, and points should be close as possible to the working edge. I mean, suppose here you see this is the working edge, so your point must be as far as possible to the working edge. Horizontal parallel lines are drawn by sliding, so you can suppose you number of horizontal lines, so you just first draw here, then you just move in this direction, so another parallel line draw here, so you just another direction, you just firmly fixed up first from the working edge in this edge, then you just move it slightly upward or down regarding your position of the drawing line, and you have to number of parallel line you can draw. Okay, second case, when you draw the vertical line. Okay, when you draw the vertical, so first you draw this horizontal line. Now on this horizontal line you draw a vertical line. So what we'll do, you just shift the T in a lower side, and we just place the set square, and on this set square we firmly hold it. First we firmly hold the T at the working edge, then on this T we firmly hold the set square. So always set square held in the working edge. This is the working edge, so always, and T square working edge, not the this side. This side is not possible. Okay, so first we do not use the set square in this direction. This is the wrong. Always in the working edge. Clear? So you just firmly hold the T at the edge of the board. Then on the working edge of the T, you just hold the set square and you draw the. And if you see the 45 degree or the 30 degree, 45 degree, I will show you how to draw that. So this is the 45 degree. Sorry, this is the 90 degree perfect vertical line. When you draw the vertical line. So in this way, you can draw the vertical line. Next will be set square. There will be two types of set square. One will be the 45 degree set square and the 30-60 set square. Okay, and the 30-60 set square will be 250 millimeter and 45 degree set square will be 200 millimeter. Clear? And this is basically made of plastic. And what is the use? First one is the set square are used for drawing all straight line except the horizontal line. Are usually drawn with the T square. Vertical line can be drawn with the T square and set square. Previously we showed you. So, and again in combination with the T square, lines are 30 degree, 60 degree angle with vertical or horizontal line can be drawn using the 30-60 set square and 45 degree angle with the 45 degree set square. And also using these two, combine of these two set square, we can use simultaneously along with T square, we produce the making angle 45 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree, etc. Parallel straight line in any position, not very far apart, as well as lines perpendicular to any line from any given point within or outside it can also be drawn within the two set square. A circle can be divided in 6, 8, 12 or 24 equal parts by using the set square and T square. Okay. So firstly, to draw a fine perpendicular to a given horizontal line from a given point within it. So first place T square a little below the given line. Suppose this is your given line. Because an important part of this thing, first you have to set the each day, you have to set the your A1 drawing scene on the your drawing block. So what will be the? So you have to any horizontal line all be parallel to each other. So what will you do? This is your horizontal line. So you just draw, you just downward the T square a little below. So what will be? This is parallel. This line also parallel to this. Then arrange any one set square with one of the edge containing the right angle touching the working edge of the T square and other edge passing through the given point. So this is the given point. So you just place this edge on the working edge on the T square and this is the point. Hold the T square and set square positively firmly, because if you loosely you can feel, so what will happen? Your line will be not perfectly 90 degree. With the right hand you draw the required line. So a perpendicular line will be drawn using this T square and set square. Clear? Next. Draw a line inclined 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree to given horizontal line. Okay. So place the edge containing the right angle of the 45 degree. So this is the 45 degree edge. Or you can this side. So this using the T square you draw the 45 degree. To draw a line inclined 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree to given a horizontal line from a line. So here you see there will be a T scale. First we hold the T scale, and now this is the line. So what we will do? Previously we just lower down the T according to the edge, and here the 45 set square using the T square base. And we get the 45 degree. Means here you see there will be circle. So here if this is 8 equal parts. So for 8 equal parts, so each angle will be 45 degree. So first for same way, first draw the circle, then draw the horizontal line and draw the vertical line first. So from the horizontal line by using the T scale and T square, or by using T square and set square, you draw the vertical line. After that, first we using this set square, this position, we draw this line. And we position change. So this position we get this line. So the circle will be divided 8 equal parts. Same way, if the circle will be 12 equal parts, then we use the 30-60 set square. So what we will do? First we draw the circle. So this is the center point. On the center point, draw the vertical line and draw the horizontal line. Now in this position, if we from the T scale lower down same way, suppose T scale here, and we place the set square. So here, first we use this set square, we draw this 60-degree line. Okay, and using this set square, we draw this 30-degree line. Okay, now what we do, we change the position, means we rotate it. So then if we rotate it, so then if we rotate, so this will be the position. And here if we rotate it, so this angle will be the 30-degree then, and this angle will be then 60-degree. So then using this set square, we get this line. And using this set square, we get this 30-degree line. So in this way, we divided 12 equal parts. Here. Now, basically, to draw a line parallel to a given straight line to a given point. So first, this line will be given. Suppose AB. You have to already draw this line. So you have to draw this parallel line with this AB. Means at this point P, you have to draw the line with parallel to the AB. So how can you draw? So first, you can any set square. You take any set square, 45-degree or 30-60. One edge you just coincide with the AB, and according to your change the position, your orientation of the set square. Suppose your AB will orientation be in this direction, so set square position will be in this direction. So first you set the set square in this position with the coincide with the AB. After coincide with the AB, this set square hold firmly. Okay, this set square hold firmly. This set square hold firmly. After the set square hold firmly, another set square, you just another set square firmly. Position of this another set square will be at the base of the previous set. So means at the base of this set square, another set square will be placed. So after the placed, you hold this set square will be firmly, and then you have to draw a line at this point P. So what will you just move this set square according to this direction on this base. On this base means always the base of these two set square must be touched. So you just slide on this according to reference with this base in this direction. So your position of the set square is a dotted given. Then you draw a P line. A line you draw a line at the point P. You get the line CD. So AB parallel to CD. Clear? Any doubt you can ask. Any doubt you can ask.
স্যার একবার বলবেন AB প্যারালাল টু CD জিনিসটা ব্যাপারটা।
First you draw the AB line. Clear? Then suppose first you do not first you there will be no first you set any set square on this AB line. Coincide one edge of the any set square. So take suppose 45-degree set square, for example. So on this 45-degree set square, one edge of the 45-degree must be coincide with the AB. After the coincide of the AB, you just firmly hold the set square AB. Now, then another set square, you have to place the another set square as a base for the first. Means first you have to place another set square on the base of the first one. Clear? Now you just hold firmly on this set square, and you just move this set square on the edge of this second set square. Because you have to draw at this point B, you just slide on this edge of the second set square, and you move this first set square on this direction. So up to where the P position will be given. Clear? Now on this P position, you just hold this first set square tightly, firmly, then draw the CD line on the point P. Clear? So CD will be the required parallel line with the AB. Clear? So
yes sir.
So in this way, you can draw any parallel line. Okay. Next, to draw a line perpendicular to a given line through a point within or outside it. So here the line PQ of the point O is given. So on this O point, you have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay. So first, what we will do? First, you see, arrange the longest edge of the one set square along PQ like this. In this way, what will be the dotted line? So another set square or T square as a base along one of the edge containing the right angle, means this is the containing the right angle. You see. After that, what will you do? You just holding the base set, means first one will be this. What will you do? First you draw. Suppose PQ line will be drawn. You have to draw another perpendicular line at the O, means you have to draw AB, a perpendicular line of the PQ. So first you just hold this first set square in this way. One edge of the longest edge will be coincide with the PQ. Then on the base of this set square, another set square, you just base of this, means this part. Understand? So on this part, then this set square will be base firmly hold. Okay. Then you just move another this set square so that other edge containing the right angle coincide with the edge of the base set square. So in this way, you have to draw such a way that other edge, this again in this way, if you draw, you get the 90 degree. So in this way, you can get the any direction, you can draw the perpendicular line. Clear? You just perpendicular on this line. So first you just draw it, then second set square, then second square hold firmly, then you just change the position on the longest edge. Then you get the firmly, get the right angle. Okay, clear? It is just opposite. Another way also you can draw. So arrange one set square with an edge containing the right angle along the line PQ figure. So this is the figure PQ. Then place the second set square T square as a base another, and the first set square just opposite, just same way. Okay. Next, different types of. So this is about the set square, T square, and your board. Four part will be a large size compass with the interchangeable. So this is the large bow compass basically. And you suppose if you 120 millimeters, so this is not possible to your geometrical box compass. So for this is the large bow compass you have to require to draw the large circle. Okay, and circle up to 120 millimeter diameter can be drawn using this 120, 130, 100 millimeter can be drawn using the large. And there will be, you see, two leg hinged together in upper end. So this is the one edge, another one is the two edge. So for this you can longest you can draw the circle. And remember one thing, a needle is required to insert. So this will be needle will be required to, this is the L will be the thickness of the your sheet and two paper and kept longer than the lead point. Okay, always. Next one will be the small bow compass. Always in your geometry box or geometry box, this is the small bow compass. And this is the large side divider. Basically, divider used to divide the curve or straight line into digit number or transfer dimension from one part to another part by using, you can measure the dimension also. So these are the different large divider. And small bow divider, small divider also same as the large divider. This for short equal distance. French curve. French curve basically used. There I will already tell you there will be two types of French curve. One is the 5 number French curve, one is the 6 number French curve. This is basically the 5 number French curve. This type of this is 5 number French curve. And 6 number French curve like this. Like this type of thing. Do not draw the properly. So if you in your any shop, you can tell the 6 number French curve, this will give you. This is the 5 number French curve. This is basically used to draw the curve. Suppose you in your drawing, you have to draw the ellipse. So this is not possible. How to draw ellipse? So by using freehand or by using the French curve, you can draw any curve. Okay. And for this, remember one thing, when you draw a curve, suppose This is the another point, this is the another point, this is the another point. So minimum 3 points required to draw the curve. Okay, minimum 3 points required. And by using trial and method, so means which part will be means 3 points. Suppose you have to 1 point, another point this one, another point, then you can draw the curve. Suppose 1 point will be outside of this curve, this is not, or inside of the curve, this is not possible. So you can trial and error method, always you can change the French curve, the position, you can, or minimum 3 points you have to coincide on this curve. Here is the different types of drawing sheet. So this is the A0, this is the maximum size of the drawing sheet. We, in your lab, we use this A1 drawing sheet, this is A2 drawing sheet, this is A3, A4 and A5. And remember one thing, the thickness will be must be uniform, and when you use the rubber eraser and use it, the fibers should not disintegrate. So good quality paper must be required for the drawing. And remember one thing, when you buy the sheet, always clearly tell A1 drawing sheet. Okay. Now this is the virtual lab. Now you have to do not require A1 drawing sheet. We use only A4 drawing sheet and use the geometry box, because T set square, because those who have in those who have in drawing board in the home, you can use it, but it is not possible to draw the drawing board if your in your home, if there will be no drawing board, this is not possible in A1 drawing sheet. So use the A4 sheet, and using the geometry box you can draw it. Okay. If you have any doubt or any difficulty feel, you can ask me. You know my number. Okay. And this is basically the drawing pin or clip. Okay. So this is hold the seat or your from the drawing board. Okay. You can tell me, suppose this is a line. Okay. Now the line length will be 30 millimeter. Okay. Now you divide it 6 equal part. So how can you divide?
5 mm each.
5 mm each. So by using scale. So by using scale, you can use it clearly. Now, if we tell you, you divide it 7 equal parts. It is possible by scale.
No, sir. It is
In decimal, sir.
This is not in your scale.
No.
So how can you divide it?
6, 5.
Okay, for this. So this is 30 millimeter. So what will you do? At this point, you draw a line less than 90 degrees. So at this, and it will be 7 equal parts. So by using the compass, take any measurement. Take any measurement by this compass. Okay, you divide it 7 equal parts. So suppose this is 1. Any measurement, you can take 10 millimeter, 1 millimeter, any measurement by compass, you can divide 7 equal parts. This arbitrary line from this point. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. Okay, clear? Now, so join this point, last point, with this last point. One minute. So join this last point with this last point. Okay. Now each point we have to draw the parallel line of this line by using these two set square. What you learned previously. By using two set square, we draw each point of the parallel line of this. Again another parallel line. Again another parallel line. Again, another parallel line. In another parallel line. So you see, use 7 divide part on this line.
Yes, sir.
So on this way, you can divide any division for any length of the line by, this is called basically the general method for the line division. Okay. So this is way you can divide the line. So if it is in your problem, if suppose in 40 millimeter it is divided in 8 parts, or 8 parts is easily, each part will be 5 millimeter. But if it is given 9 equal parts, so in this way you can divide the general. Or sometimes some book it is given. So so same angle you also draw here. Okay. So what will happen? This is the same division. You also divide the same division and just join this. Clear? Or in this way you can draw. Means here if you get 7 equal parts, same dimensions, you also divide. Here also these, then these, in this way 7 equal parts.
Sir,
Same
please
dimension.
explain it once again from the starting.
Okay, I'll clear. So previously one you do a line 90 degree with this, and you divide, suppose it is 30 millimeter line with 7 equal parts. So take any measurement on this line, you divide 7 equal parts. First last point with this last point join and draw the parallel line from each point. Or another method, you take so this is the line. So you draw a line, same angle, here also draw another line, same angle. Okay, suppose you draw a 45 degree, here also draw a 45 degree. Then divide.
এটা কি কোনো নির্দিষ্ট আছে?
না, less than 90 degree. ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু আমাদের যেহেতু 45 ডিগ্রি বা 30-60 সেট স্কয়ার আছে, তার জন্য আমরা কি করি, হয় we can use 45 degree set square angle or 30-60 set square angle. It's easier to draw by using T and set square. Otherwise you have to, suppose you draw 80 degrees, so you have to require protractor for this. So this is difficult. So what we'll do, by using 45 degree set square or 30-60 set square, any set square, any angle. Here suppose here we, for example, we draw 45 degree. Here also draw 45 degree. Okay. Now take the compass and by any dimension. But take the compass and from this you just divide it 7 equal parts, any measurement. 5 millimeter, you can take 10 millimeter, 20 millimeter, equal to you, and each part will be same. You divide this line 7 equal parts. Only this line also divide same measurement 7 equal parts.
Sir, but where should we place the compass?
From this point. Start from this point.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, here also start from this point, one by one. First you, the needle will be at this point and pencil will be here. Then again needle will be at this point, pencil will be here. Similarly, needle at this point, pencil will be here. Then needle at this point, in this way you divide 7. Then join this. First last 1 minute. First last point to last point. Okay. From last point to last point, you join this. From last point to last point you can join. Then, because sometimes what will happen, parallel line draw is difficult because sometimes because you have to two set squares simultaneously use for this. Hey, please mute. So this is another way. You can both angle will be this angle and this angle, both angle will be dimension and divide the two line will be same division. Okay, here you divide same dimension, you divide division by using the compass. Then join this like this. So in this way, you can also divide the line. For this, do not require the parallel line. Always it will be must be parallel. But this is what will happen if you divide in this way. So your drawing will be not better way. So for this, what we'll do, we just draw a line 30 millimeter. Then in this point, we draw a line 45 less than 90 degree, and by using the compass, taking any measurement, we just divide it. Suppose it is 7 equal parts, so we divide it 7 equal parts, and first last point to last point we join it, and then we draw the parallel line. Okay, so this is, it is shown, the figure is very well. This is the way to divide the line. Clear? So this is the tutorial lecture.
Yes, sir.
Next day, from next day,